Kelly Barlow Creations, Crafting on a Budget. If you're new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more Crafting on a Budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. And if you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. What do I have going on for today's video? Today's video is a farmhouse DIY using non-Dollar Tree items. Items that I've picked up from Walmart. I've had so many requests for non-Dollar Tree DIYs for those people who don't have access to a Dollar Tree. And so that is just what I'm bringing to you today. So let's jump into it and let me show you what all you need for this farmhouse DIY.
For this project, I will be using these mini clothesline pins. I picked these up at Target. This is a 20 pack that I got for $1. I'll also be using this frame that I picked up from Walmart for $4. A roll of chicken wire by Better Homes and Garden that you can also find at Walmart in the floral section, and these leftover scraps of denim that I had from cutting Allie's jeans and making them shorts. Starting this DIY off, I'm going to take and remove the glass and the cardboard backing from the frame. The cardboard backing on this frame, one side of it is connected, so I'm going to take my straight edge razor and I'm going to have to cut through the cardboard to remove it. Using the cardboard from the picture frame, I'm going to place the chicken wire on top of the cardboard, using it as, I'd say, like a template, so I know how big to cut the chicken wire. And using some wire cutters, I'm going to cut along right where the cardboard is on the chicken wire, giving me the size that I'll need to fill in the frame. Then I'm going to place the chicken wire inside the frame. Chicken wire stretches and expands, so if you happen to cut it just a bit too small, remember you can stretch it and pull it to fit inside your frame. I'll be using hot glue to hold the wire in. The glue sticks that I'm using today are the Gorilla Glue sticks because they are a bit stronger, and because I'm using chicken wire, I wanted to make sure that it was a bit stronger of a hold for this project. And because I had some leftover denim from when I cut Allie's jeans into shorts, I decided that I would make a couple of flowers using her denim. So I've cut a square here that measures out at 5 by 5, and I'm going to take my scissors and just freehand cut this square into a spiral circle, leaving me with this. Pretty easy to do. Don't worry about perfection because it's not going to show, and the more imperfect it is, the better your flower is going to look. Then very simply, I'm going to take the end of this spiral circle and start rolling it in until I have rolled the entire spiral up. And as you're rolling, you will see that your flower starts to form. You don't want to make the flower too tight as you're rolling it. You want to kind of make them loose. You want your edges to be uneven because a flower isn't even and it is going to add to the character of this denim flower. I'm going to make several of these flowers in different shades of denim that I have laying around. Once I've reached the end here, I'm going to take my hot glue gun and just hot glue it to the bottom of the flower, holding everything in place so the flower won't come undone. And there you have a simple but beautiful denim flower. Now taking a mini clothespin, I'm going to hot glue it to the top center of the chicken wire. This will be what we hang our picture from. I made 5 flowers using 3 different shades of denim. Mixing your denim shades is such a chic way to add to your farmhouse decor. And I'm just going to hot glue these up in the top corner. I've taken and cut 2 strips in the measurements of 1 inch wide by 12 inches long. And I'm going to hot glue these to the back of the frame at an angle, giving the illusion that this picture frame is hung by this. Then just hot glue both pieces together at the top so they stay together. I cut the seams off of the scraps from Allie's jeans because I thought that this would make for a cute bow. So I'm going to take and hot glue 2 pieces together to make a longer piece so I have more to make a bow out of. Then just hot glue it to the top of the 2 strips. And it really is just as simple as that. I love the chic vibe that adding the denim to a piece like this gives. It is a chic farmhouse decor piece. Don't forget, if I've inspired you to make one of my projects, snap a quick picture, send it to me on either Facebook or Instagram because I love seeing all of your creations and I can feature them in an upcoming video.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and let's get this video to 2,000 likes. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy crafting on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.